people dream of success while other people get up early and make it happen. A very cheerful morning to each and everyone present over here. Today, we the students of class 5th B have got the golden opportunity to conduct the annual function. As we all know that no program can be started without remembering the Almighty, the creator of the whole universe. So, join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for the prayer.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
Join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for short prayer. Thank you for the world so sweet. Thank you for the food we eat. Thank you for the birds that sing. Thank you God for everything.
Now it's time for thought. Food is our best medicine. I repeat my thought. Food is our best medicine.
Now it's time for national news. Gujarat has confirmed 2 more Omicron cases. India's tally reaches 23.
Hanas Sandhu crowned Miss Universe 2021.
Now it's time for sports news. David Warner rewarded for his return to peak form. Wins ICC Player of the Month award.
Ganganagar's maximum temperature is 22 degrees centigrade, while minimum temperature is predicted to be 9 degrees centigrade.
अगर कोई व्यक्ति बीमार भी है और संतुलित आहार लेता है तो बहुत अधिक संभावना है कि वह कुछ समय में ही ठीक हो जाता है। वह बिना डॉक्टर के अच्छी आराम की जिंदगी जी लेता है। लेकिन अगर कोई व्यक्ति संतुलित आहार नहीं लेता तो वह डॉक्टरों के चक्कर लगाता रहता है और लगातार अपने जीवन को अंधकार में करता जाता है। हम सभी को संतुलित आहार लेना चाहिए। Now, we the students of class 5th B are going to recite a Hindi poem. स्वास्थ्य जिसका ठीक रहा, जीवन में खुशहाल रहा। अच्छे स्वास्थ्य बिना जीवन बेकार है, स्वास्थ्य ही जीवन का आधार है। जीवन के लिए अनमोल है, अच्छा स्वास्थ्य अनमोल है। अब हम रखेंगे स्वास्थ्य का ख्याल, ना करेंगे अब कोई विचार। सुबह जल्दी जागेंगे, नित्य आराम करेंगे हम, हरी हरी सब्जियां खाएंगे, खुशहाली का जीवन जीते जाएंगे, खुशहाली का जीवन जीते जाएंगे, खुशहाली का जीवन जीते जाएंगे। धन्यवाद। Now we the students of class 5th B are going to recite an English poem. Healthy food is very important in my day. My body needs nutrition, smart and play. Proteins keep my head shiny and my muscles strong. Carbohydrates give me energy all day long. Fruits and vegetables are vitamins I need. Fats are good for my skin and help my brain succeed. Dairy helps to keep my teeth and bones tough. Milk, cheese and yogurt have all the right stuff. A healthy balanced diet has all the food groups in it. Combined with exercise, I will be healthy and fit. Thank you. The aim of argument or of discussion should not be victory but progress. Now some students of our class are going to present a group discussion on the topic.
Healthy food is that which provides us the nutrient we need to sustain our bodies well-being and retain energy. Water, carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals are the key nutrients that made up a healthy balanced diet.
Health is considered as one of the most crucial part of life. A human who does not have a healthy life cannot enjoy his life. That's why it says health is wealth.
We must have a balanced diet if we want to enjoy a healthy life.
If we have only eat fast food like burger, patty, noodle, etc., then we will become fat. Unhealthy food prevents the healthy growth of brain. Healthy food keeps us fresh and fit.
Food when eaten at proper intervals and in the right amount can make children fitter. To develop healthy eating habits, one needs to understand what our body needs to be healthy. Of course, there are some vitamins, carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, etc. But one doesn't need to worry about these. One can follow some simple methods to be healthy. Take your meal at proper time. Drink lot of water. Drink milk and healthy shakes. Avoid eating junk food. Avoid eating processed food. Avoid eating packaged food. Don't drink soft drink a lot. Eat only one food item at a time.
Healthy food helps to fight obesity and heart disease. Healthy food also helps us to save money. It is cheaper than junk food. For example, rice, lentils, green vegetables, milk, etc. are known as healthy food.
Thus we can save a great amount when we only consume healthy food. Healthy food is also very delicious as fast to pop. We must encourage good eating habits so that our future will be healthy and fit. At last we want to say eat healthy, think healthy. Thank you.
It is very crucial to inculcate in children sound eating habits from a very early age. With this background, we the students of class 5th B are here to present a skit enhancing good eating healthy habits.
Mom, you promised if I score well in exams, you will give me a treat.
Yes, sure, my girl. Let's go to the restaurant.
Both go to the restaurant and take a seat.
Welcome, ma'am. What would you like to order?
Mom, I would like to have one full plate fried chicken.
Hey, you have a great choice, dear. Just look at me. I am your favorite fried chicken. I have a great texture and color. I am crisp and tender. Will you eat me?
Child, fried chicken is very healthy for you. Please try chicken soup instead of fried chicken.
Yes, dear, you have chosen really well. I'm chicken soup and very healthy. I have many proteins and even organic herbs in me. And my sweet child, do you know why your skin has such a radiant glow? Because from your childhood, you've been having me in your meals.
But Mom, chicken soup is really very boring. Mom, can I have a cheeseburger please?
Oh, thank you for thinking of me today, dear. Do you know I am a cheeseburger. I am very tasty and crispy. I have your favorite cheese slice too inside me. So would you like to eat me?
No, my dear, don't eat it. It would be much better if you have my friend mixed with sandwich for today.
Yay, thanks for calling me dear. At least I am much better than this burger. I have no sauces or cheese that would make me unhealthy. Rather, I have a lot of fresh vegetables that would give vitamins and minerals. I even have your favorite cabbage too.
Ma'am, if it is taking you long, you can order something to drink.
Yes, Mom, let's have a soft drink till then. Hey buddy, thanks for remembering me. I am a soft drink. Just look at me. I am full of sugar and calories. I am cool. Just keep on sipping and enjoy me.
Oh, you self-obsessed drink. You call yourself healthy? You misguide everyone. There are no nutrients in you.
Now who are you?
Oh, sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Mixed Fruit Smoothie. Fibrous, fresh and very healthy. I am full of antioxidants and above all, I don't have any artificial sweeteners or preservatives. I am purely fruit measure.
Oh, you call yourself healthy? You have no color, no texture. Just look at yourself. You all are very dull looking. Who would like to eat you?
Have you all spoken? May I speak? You are talking about our color and texture. At least I'm not unhealthy like yourself.
Oh, please. Have you seen that mixed sandwich who has raw vegetables stuffed in itself? Nobody likes to eat them raw. Cheeseburger, you are so unhealthy. So much of oil is used to make you.
But kids eat us and only love us. You will see.
That we will see today. Dear, don't listen to them and come with us. We are much tastier.
No, please listen to us.
Takes the daughter.
We are healthier.
No, we are healthier.
No, we are tastier.
Both sides
No,
are
we are
good.
healthier.
Healthy side says that we are healthy and unhealthy side says that we are tasty.
No,
No, we are healthier.
No, we are tastier.
No, we are healthier.
No, we are tastier.
No, we are healthier.
Oh, leave me. I have decided I have only healthy food.
Very good, my daughter. Let us enjoy the treat.
Thank you.
Now Diksha of our class is going to sing a classical song in her melodious voice.
Be
Smith of our class is going to sing a melodious song.
When you don't know where to go and you're feeling all alone, look inside yourself, it's so much more than you know. When you're stuck and out of time, you can cross the finish line. You're a champion, you'll always be a winner. You can be anything you want if you believe in who you are. You light up the whole world. You're shining so bright. Anything is possible when you look into your heart. Oh, 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 oh. You're a shooting star. When I'm down, I'm feeling scared. I know I should take a chance. The world is sitting right here in the palm of my hands. I'm flying higher than before, and giving up is not the choice. I'll push the doubt aside and step into the spotlight. Oh, 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 oh.
first question. I am juicy, grow in bunch, green and black, easy to pack for lunch. Tell me, who am I? Yes, the answer is grapes.
Here is the second question. I am juicy and sweet. My name sounds as the same as my color. Who am I? Yes, I am orange.
Here is the third question. My peel is very thick. My name is sweet apple. Tell me, who am I? Yes, I am pineapple.
Here is the fourth question. Who is the President of India? Yes, the answer is Ram Nath Kovind.
They give me energy, I play all day. Mashed potato, rice and pasta. The more I